Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your top hand in batting. First, understand that your top hand is absolutely crucial for controlling the bat path and generating significant power. You'll want to maintain a firm, yet relaxed, grip with your top hand, ensuring it's positioned slightly above your bottom hand on the bat. This initial setup is fundamental for effective hitting, allowing for optimal leverage and bat speed through the zone. To generate power, drive your top hand aggressively through the ball, extending it towards the pitcher after contact. Focus on a strong top hand finish, pushing the bat head out and through the hitting zone. This action helps maintain a level swing plane, which is essential for consistent, hard contact. Think of your top hand as the primary accelerator, propelling the bat with maximum force. Your top hand is also vital for precise bat control. Use it to guide the bat directly to the ball, particularly on those challenging outside pitches. This hand prevents the bat from dropping, ensuring a compact and efficient swing path. Incorporate drills that emphasize top hand dominance. For instance, try hitting off a tee with a focus on pushing through with your top hand to improve your overall bat control and accuracy. Finally, let's discuss common top hand mistakes to avoid. Do not let your top hand become overly dominant, as this can lead to a casting motion where the bat head lags. Also, a weak top hand grip will result in a significant loss of bat control and power. Always ensure your top hand stays connected to your body throughout the swing, maintaining a consistent and powerful path to the ball for optimal results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.